For you, the ideal case is the ULTRAFORMER treatment.
ULTRAFORMER.
Yes.
Is it painful?
Well, we put some anesthesia on the face to numb the skin.
Okay.
Because I would say it's not painless. There is a bit of discomfort because we're really stimulating your body to form that collagen. We have to get into the deeper layers till the muscle with ultrasound therapy. Some people have described it like a feeling of stapling the skin from underneath to lift everything up, to tighten and lift. So yes, there is a bit of discomfort, but we apply anesthesia.
Like doing a tattoo?
A different type of pain. I would say it's a different type of pain.
Okay. And how long does it last? How long do the results last?
Well, first of all, the treatment, after 1 hour of anesthesia, the treatment will take about 45 minutes to do. And then you'll see the lift happening immediately actually, and over a period of 21 days. The lifting keeps happening. And then it is recommended for some cases to be done every 6 months for the first 2 years. But in your case, I think once a year is sufficient because of the young age, and we'll be able to lift it up quite
I'm going to be swollen. My face is going to be swollen tomorrow.
It's not that swollen. It's very little.
But weird.
A bit. Because as the wand moves over, there's a wand that we use to deliver the ultrasound waves. It has a bit of a sort of inflammation, very mild. Actually, nobody should be able to notice it unless they're coming very close to you.
Yeah.
It should be non-evident.
Okay, I'm ready to look young.
Good. So again, the results, yes, they'll last you for about a year, and we should do it again in the future. And the sooner and the more regular with your follow-up, and I'm glad you have to come from 2013.
Yeah.
You realize that regular visits is what keeps everything much better.
I don't want to look at someone and put an age to their looks.
Never ask
so
the
I
lady
always
your
want
age.
to keep people guessing.
Yes, never ask the lady your age. Yes.
If anyone can guess my age,
I'll have got it written, yes, I should not look at it. But the last thing I want to ask, do you have any medical problems?
I do not. I used to have asthma when I was young, but I think I'll outgrow it.
Okay.
I've outgrown it, so
you're not pregnant,
no,
not asthmatic,
pregnant.
no issues of
No
any breathing
diabetic,
disorders.
no pressure.
You're perfectly safe for the
Nothing.
treatment. There's very few contraindications to the procedure. It's very safe otherwise.
Alright.
So what we'll do now, I'll take you through to the other room. You can get comfortable there. One of my therapists will come and apply anesthetic cream. We'll wash your face first. We'll apply anesthetic cream. Then we'll have you sitting for an hour, and then we'll come back, and then I'll come back and continue the rest of the treatment with you.
Alright.
Okay? This is the ULTRAFORMER machine we talked about.
Glasses. ULTRAFORMER 3.
I need glasses.
No, Classes. Classes is the name of the company that makes it.
No.
So there are two handpieces here,
Be selected.
right and left hand, that controls
Be selected.
the tips. We have tips here, starting from 6 mm, which affects the soft muscle of the face or the part of the body being treated. There's a 3 mm, so that goes 3 millimeters down into the dermis, and 1.5 millimeters. That affects the epidermis of the skin. So we start with the deep and come up to the superficial. And we normally work from down up. Like we said, gravity is what ages us. So we start from the neck, working upwards to the forehead, around the eyes. So what we do, like I said, we'll start with the 6 mm. We'll connect it up
Left
to the
hand be
device.
selected.
Okay. And normally we like to be ready with everything before we start.
Left hand be selected.
So 6 mm, and this is the 3 mm. Okay? Now, that is the machine set and ready. There are different settings here for the distance between the ultrasonic shot. As if I show you here,
Left hand be selected.
that's between the two lines is where the ultrasound ray comes from. That is the distance. So what we call as the pitch. And then we have an energy setting in joules. The higher up you go, the stronger the energy setting. So we like to start what is comfortable. There is a bit of discomfort, but we start off between 0.9 joules or something and vary depending on the different part of the body. So that is it. We'll now get Fatumah, who's ready with the anesthetic, and your face should be feeling numb. Does your face feel numb?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done with my procedure to tighten my face. I'm not old, but I needed it tighter because things were going down. Gravity was acting on me. I already feel like my cheekbones are already up a little bit. I feel tight. I'm supposed to come back 3 weeks later to see the doctor for a preview. For every single person, for every lady, every man, not just ladies, because everything, this happens to every person that wants to work on your skin, that needs to slow down the aging process, you need to come to Avan Made Spa. It's located on Forest Mall, that is on Lugogo bypass.